this is Suzanne. Welcome to Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today, I have a Dollar Tree haul. I've been seeing all the ladies on YouTube running out to the Dollar Tree, getting all of these fabulous Dollar Tree items. And I went to our Dollar Tree, and it was a little bit of a disappointment. There were some fall florals that were out, and a couple of pumpkins and maybe one or two signs, and that is it. So I'm not going to be able to show you a lot of things, but I do want to share with you what I got because you'll be seeing it in some upcoming DIYs and some room decor. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. The first thing I'll show you are some cute little pumpkins. I got one of these. It's just the burnt orange shiny pumpkin. Then I purchased two of these, the orange pumpkins with the gold stem. I purchased two of the bronze pumpkins, the shorter ones. These are very adorable. I really do like these. I purchased two of the gold ones. They stand a little bit taller than the other ones, so they're shiny gold all over. And then two of the really pretty green pumpkins with the gold stem. And I really like how these look together because you've got the shiny gold pumpkin and then this one with the gold stem. So these with the gold stem, you can see really pair nicely with the gold pumpkin. So I'll be using those in some upcoming decor projects, but yay, fall pumpkins, bring them on. The next thing I purchased is this simple sign that says friends and family gather here, and I may leave it like this or I may give it a fresh coat of paint and start over. I really haven't decided yet. Then next I purchased some tissue paper for an upcoming project. And you can see these have really pretty patterns. I like those. So I purchased one pack of each of these designs. And I purchased a cake decorating kit for a project. And also I purchased these dessert napkins that says "My faith makes me whole in spirit, soul and body," marked 534. I thought these were very pretty, and they will look pretty in the fall. And these, although they're summer, I went ahead and purchased these just to be able to put up in my craft cabinet. Now I want to share with you some of the floral picks that I purchased. They do have very pretty fall hydrangeas this year, so I got two picks of the hydrangeas, and then this really pretty fall pick. Show you these here because they all kind of go together with the colors. This one, the sunflower, and then this one. Very pretty fall colors, and you see how well they mix in with the hydrangeas. Just very pretty, although it needs some lighter colors and some more different colors with it, but those are my main dark colors that I purchased. I purchased these, and they're very pretty. I love these. These have always been one of my favorite Dollar Tree florals. I just love these. Aren't these pretty? And I did purchase a few that have the burlap on them. There's two different kinds that have burlap. Here's the little sunflower with the burlap, and then here's another one that's a little different, and then here's another one. So they have several different kinds that have the burlap on them. And then these are always pretty in the fall. I picked these up. And then here's a different color. I purchased some of the cattails. They had cattails in several different colors, but I really liked this golden color. And I got a couple of stems. This one has some acorns and some berries on it, and this one is just plain. And then I purchased some of these last year as well, but I really like them. It's the stems that have the little pumpkins on them, and they have a couple of different shades. So you can see some of the stems are brighter orange, and then some are a darker color orange. So guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'll have to check back with our Dollar Tree later to see if they get anything in, because right now they don't have much in. So you ladies that already have fall stocked Dollar Trees, go ahead and take advantage of it, because I know those items will not last long. So let's get ready for fall, girls.